Scientists generally define life as a characteristic that distinguishes physical entities with biological processes, such as growth, reproduction, and environmental adaptation, from those without such processes. The complex interactions of molecules, cells, organisms, and ecosystems drive the continuous processes of growth, reproduction, adaptation, and evolution that constitute life. Self-organization, self-replication, and information processing are all manifestations of the fundamental properties of matter and energy that shape the universe. The meaning and purpose of existence are subjective and may differ from person to person from a philosophical standpoint. Others find meaning in religion, spirituality, relationships, or personal achievements, while some believe that existence has no inherent meaning. The meaning of existence is ultimately a query that each individual must answer based on their own values and experiences. Why exist? A philosophical conundrum that has perplexed humans for centuries. Different individuals and cultures have diverse beliefs and perspectives regarding the meaning of existence, so there is no single definitive answer to this query. The emergence of life on Earth may have been a natural consequence of the physical and chemical conditions that existed on our planet billions of years ago, according to scientific theory. The emergence of life may have resulted from a combination of random events and the inherent properties of matter and energy, such as the capacity of molecules to self-organize and replicate. Some people believe, from a spiritual or religious perspective, that existence has a deeper purpose or meaning connected to a higher power or spiritual domain. This can manifest in a variety of ways, including a belief in an afterlife, a divine plan or destiny, or a sense of obligation to fulfill a specific role or mission. In the end, the question of why life exists is complex and profoundly personal, and each individual may have their own beliefs and perspectives on the subject. Others may view life as a chance to have a positive impact on the world and leave an enduring legacy. What if there is no life? The universe would still exist if there were no life, but it would be a very different place. Life is a fundamental aspect of our planet and the ecosystem it supports, and it has shaped the Earth's environment and the evolution of the planet over billions of years. Without life, the atmosphere and climate of Earth would likely be drastically altered. The presence of life has led to the oxygenation of the atmosphere, which has allowed complex organisms, including humans, to evolve. Without life, the Earth's atmosphere would likely be dominated by gases like methane and carbon dioxide, making it inhospitable to the majority of life forms. The biosphere, which consists of all living organisms on Earth, would not exist if there were no life. This would result in a significant loss of biodiversity, and the Earth's ecosystems would no longer be able to sustain the current complex web of interactions between species. In conclusion, life plays a crucial role in molding our planet and its environment, and its absence would have profound repercussions for the Earth and the entire universe. How do you safeguard life? Protecting life entails ensuring the survival and well-being of humans, creatures, and vegetation, among others. There are numerous methods to safeguard life, with the following being among the most crucial. The survival of vegetation and animals depends on the preservation of their natural habitats. This involves preserving forests, wetlands, and other ecosystems, as well as reducing habitat devastation, fragmentation, and degradation resulting from human activities. Pollution can be harmful to living organisms by contaminating the air, water, and soil. To protect life, we must reduce pollution by promoting cleaner technologies, reducing waste, and regulating the discharge of toxic substances and pollutants. Climate change is one of the greatest hazards to the existence of life on Earth. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting renewable energy, and adapting to the effects of climate change, such as rising sea levels, droughts, and flooding, are necessary to safeguard life. Promoting sustainable practices can help protect life by reducing the depletion of natural resources, encouraging responsible land use, and decreasing waste and contamination. Supporting conservation initiatives, such as wildlife protection, endangered species preservation, and sustainable agriculture, can safeguard life by preserving biodiversity and assuring the survival of endangered species. Ensure that all living organisms have access to fundamental requirements, such as food, water, shelter, and medical care, in order to protect and promote life. In conclusion, safeguarding life requires a global endeavor from individuals, communities, and governments, as well as a holistic approach that addresses the complex interactions between living organisms and their environment.